Hello. In this video, you will learn how to integrate or install Google Tag Manager code on your WordPress site. Before starting video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I am a top-rated digital marketing specialist. If you need help, let me contact on my WhatsApp or email me. Thank you so much. So first of all, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account. So I will create a Google Tag Manager account. I will write this name according to the website. That's very helpful to identify me, because I'm a digital marketer. I need to create a multiple account. So I will create, then select country, then I need to paste URL, then I will select web, then create, then I accept all and click yes option. Then here you can see paste the code in the header section and paste the code in the body section. So first of all, I will click this option and I will go to the dashboard of this website. So I already log in, so now I will go. After login dashboard, we need to click plugin option, add new plugin and write GTM. Okay, here you can see it is a just install it. Okay, now activate it, successfully activated. Now we need to go, here you can see GTM ID, or please copy it and go to the Google Translate, just paste here. Okay, here you can see GTM ID. Okay, just copy it and paste here, save and continue. Okay, save and continue and save and continue and go to the dashboard. Now Google Tag Manager is activated. Now we will check it. Okay, and I will use preview mode. Okay, and these are connecting now. Okay, we will try again and check it. Now finally connected. Here you can see also are connected, and here you can see window loaded, etc. So thank you so much. Hopefully the Google Tag Manager is connected successfully. So if you need any help, if you want to integrate your website, let me contact us. I will help you. I will share my contact information in my description. Thank you so much.